While I was gone, you know what I'm saying? Look at this, man. I got a Ktuner specifically to use it as a tachometer. Why? Because, well, with the Honda base map, my car redlines at 8,500, and it was always kind of hard to know exactly when 8,500 hit until you bang limiter. So I said, frick that, and boom, problem solved. Well, that was kind of short-lived, huh? Look at this, bro. All this open road, and this dude drives like his first time behind the wheel, bro. Now if I pushed him into a vat of lice, I'd be the bad guy. Lowered my car more, like 3/4 of an inch more. Yes, is it a little excessive? Yeah, but you know what I'm saying, hot boy stuff, bro. Frick is you talking about, bro? I know y'all missed that exhaust note, bro. Stop playing with me, bro. Lowering it also kind of changed the handling a little bit more than I was expecting, honestly. I definitely need another alignment. Look at this guy, bro. And what is that, a Panamera S or something, bro? Or Panamera 4, bro? How you drive that and drive it like Grandma Josephine, bro? Like this is the stuff that makes me want to switch communities and become a freaking a furry or something.
What are you talking about? Shut the
Oh, look at that road. I know they be lynching people like me back there. But see, all them curves coming up, and I'm stuck behind Dingus 1 and 2 over here, bruh. Piss me off. Also, finally hit 100,000 miles, man. Oh my goodness, so nice. I know y'all can't see it, but I'll put a picture up here. Did I end up here? What the frick? Y'all hear that scrape? Yep. Oh man. You know what I'm saying? Low guy stuff. I'm a low guy. Don't mind me, guys. Just low over here. Frick. Road work. Look at this dingus. No turn signal, bro. You know what I'm saying? I would never do that. I might do eagle-eagle-y things, but y'all hear that? Yeah, that's the sound of me being a good Samaritan, bruh. Oh, man. Oh, my goodness. Frick did they hit, bro? The Subaru looks like they hit dang gosh dang Rasputia, bro.